Hey guys, Dirk here from Dirk and Muriel, known as the Digital Dutchies. Thank you so much for tuning in here. You're searching for a way, how you can make money with the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Before I go into more details about that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell symbol, however you call that, to get notified when we are back live again. But in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can make money with the Clickfunnels affiliate program. As you see here, my back office, I've been using Clickfunnels for quite a while. I started a brand new account here. This one is, for the last few months, and as you can see here, actually it starts to run in, and daily amounts are coming in, 77, 42, and 38. 38 is actually the basic commission. It's about 40% commissions you get from a new member who's using ClickFunnels on a daily basis, or that is their monthly subscription. So, and the thing is with ClickFunnels, as soon as somebody starts to use it and really builds his business around it, he or she is most likely to stay. And this is a residual income that will pay you over and over and over until the member stays active. And that is actually really, really awesome, because like I said, if somebody starts to use this and builds his business around it, there's probably there's a little chance that they stop using the ClickFunnels program. So how can you actually market it? Before that, I want to show you a little bit more about ClickFunnels, because you also want to use ClickFunnels if you want to market ClickFunnels, because that is the whole idea, that you have an account, but you also use it to market. So as you can see, I want to show you a few examples what ClickFunnels is. ClickFunnels is an amazing platform. You can build websites, funnels, the whole sales process. You can have payment, structures for people that buy your product, connected with PayPal, Stripe, credit cards. It's all possible. As you can see, over the years, I've been building quite some accounts, quite some funnels. We have a membership side, we have webinars, we have our freedomlifestylesacademy.com. This is a whole website with all pages, and I don't know, let's not go there. So there's so much possible. You got your products. I personally think it's the most awesome platform and funnel builder out there, because you can go all the way to so many different ways in how do you want to proceed with this. So we have a product here. I can click get access up till you go to the next page, and you have a movie. So, and I can get here, I can buy the Instagram course. Let me pause me here, and it is directly connected to in this case a PayPal. So this is really, really awesome. But you are here because you wanted to learn about how you can create an income with the Clickfunnels affiliate program. So I started to think, and I really thought that how can I create an income with ClickFunnels with this affiliate program? There of course are ways you can build funnels with ClickFunnels and try to market. You have different ways. If you're very experienced and you're watching this and you know how to create traffic, you can drive traffic to it. But I learned that the great way, and you see when I go back to my affiliate dashboard here, that this account really started to grow for the last 2-3 months, because it was really interesting how I could do that. You see, this is 7 days, but if I look at it for the last 2 months and I do filter, and you see here it's almost $4,000 I earned a lifetime with this account, then I see it always takes a little bit, but for the last 2 months, from those $4,000, $1,000 came from in the last 2 months. So it's on average about $500-600 every month, and it is growing, and it's growing consistently. So that is really, really great. but I found a platform that is actually really helping people and entrepreneurs to become independent. And if I call that, it's our, at this moment, our primary source of income. And it's a challenge. It's called the 4% group. And what I really like about this is that the owner and the creator of this platform really takes you by the hand and learns you how to, how can I say that, to become an independent marketer, and how to create multiple streams of income. And maybe you've heard of that. And the great thing I like about it is Clickfunnels, for example, is one of the multiple streams of income. And if I go to a different page, it's actually here, multiple streams of income, and I open it up right here. You can see that Clickfunnels is a part of it, but also ClickMagic, it's for tracking and how does everything work. And if I go to ClickMagic, and I can see for, since March, and it's now the beginning of May, made $700 just for that, but I have not marketed, I have not put any ads out there, nothing whatsoever, but it's part of the training here. And so these multiple streams of income, they are all streams of income, and they all add up together. So that is a great way to, to create an extra income, not only with Clickfunnels, but with all these other tools. And so if I go back, and really what I like the most of it is their first core product, and that is called the challenge, the 10K challenge. And there is a level 1 and there's a level 2 that goes to the 100,000, and there's even a level 3 to the $1 million dollar challenge. So that is really, I like it a lot. He calls it a success pill, metaphorically, of course. But what does this success pill exist of? You get a session every day. You get a new session opens up every day, and it always exists of an intro here, and talking about your goals and how that works, the strangest secret. And if you get started with the 4%, you get just try it out. It is a $1 trial for 7 days, so you can really figure this out and how everything works. But what I really like it is that it really takes you by the hand, goes through it, strangest secret, and then here must-have tools for a successful campaign. Yes, you need an autoresponder, that is GetResponse or Aweber. You need ClickMagic to do the tracking, and you do need, ClickFunnels to create your custom landing pages and video pages and stuff like that. And how everything works, you'll learn inside here. But the great thing is that if you want to be a marketer, if you want to create an income online, if you want to be, independent and create your own economy, you need to, well, my advice, or our advice, is for you to go and work online. Me and Muriel are both job free for the last 2.5 years. We quit our job in 2015 and are working online since. And these tools are our core of our business. This is where everything goes around. So ClickFunnels is, if you want to work online, I actually dare to say that ClickFunnels is a must-have tool, to create an audience, to reach people, and to connect with people. But 4% is an amazing platform that no matter what you're promoting, no matter what you want, if you want to only promote ClickFunnels, then the 4% challenge will teach you really from being a newbie to all the way to the top level, how you can market it. So this is how I make an income with ClickFunnels, and I see it grow every day. Just go read the subscription down below in the check out the link in the subscription, because there you will find actually also you will see how a funnel looks like from ClickFunnels, and will bring you to the page of the challenge. Just watch the video, go and create an account for that $1, and really check it out. It will work for you, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.